Yes, sir.
I had the answer for you, brother. There are two connections from your end. One is desktop connection, other one is web connection. I'll disconnect your web connection. Now, no more echo, Karthik. Let's get started, friends. Is my voice clear, everyone? Please. Is my voice clear, everyone now? Please. Please confirm. Please start. Yep.
Sir, yes, sir.
Perfect. Yep. Akila, Vanati, please check your mics, please. Please start
Yes,
now.
sir.
Perfect. Let's get started, friends. I assume we are all very new to database. Agenda for today's class. Let's put our right leg into a new environment, a new planet, new friend, database. I assume we're all very new. We'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the very basics. Need your support. Write your observation notes. Back to school. Let's write our observation notes, only keywords. You'll WhatsApp me the keywords you are writing in your paper or the book after the class every day from today, so that you get a website link. From there you'll be downloading the assignment. Notes will be common to be sent on email for everyone. Participants who need assignment will submit their keyword notes on WhatsApp after the class every day from today throughout the course. You want more? I want more. Yes, you heard it right. You want more subject, then I want more response from you. So class will be interactive. I want interested attendees. Please understand my concern. Let's make it interactive together. I assume we are all very new. I ask questions, you will respond. You ask questions, I will respond. And participants who are responding more will always have more activities to do, especially on weekends. Additional items for priority participants. Every day from today, the introduction from today, every day throughout the course until the project solution, you have assignments, class notes, practice, assignment. The practice starts from second half of tomorrow, if not max by day after tomorrow, based on the number of questions and other things. Today, let's have introduction for initial 5-10 minutes. Then one round of questions, clarifications, then slowly step into installation. We'll have basic installation today, detailed installation tomorrow. I will guide you step by step to get the things easier straight into your computer practically. We need to slowly start our practice from third chapter. Complete notes will be sent in advance post your registration, but I want you to register for the course only after you complete the installation. No hurry, only after installation, that is by end of tomorrow, max before day after tomorrow's class. To attend day after tomorrow, installation mandatory. You'll be receiving the print copies of the notes. You'll take print copies, something like this. I'll show you to make it clear. Let me just directly show my outbox, okay, to make it easier. For example, something like this. I'll show you the class notes, and then we have the complete print notes. Please take print copy of all the notes, something like this. These were the entire print copy of this week classes for my ongoing 11 o'clock batch, 11 to 12. Need your support. I am there to guide you. My duty to guide you step by step, and your duty to practice on time. Friends, unlike other university classes, we are into a school. Let's get started. Need your support in all aspects. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. It's my own school. I have been carrying it for more than almost, I think, 15, 16 years. And since my first job at Microsoft as a full-time employee, BGIT project, internal project of Microsoft, 2005, I keep loving SQL, and it is giving me bread and butter today. I assure you, my complete, lovely, straightforward scenarios for our useful job work. What more? Let's get started now. Let's understand what is database. The complete notes I will take care, okay? Complete notes I will provide you on email, along with assignments on WhatsApp, website link. Let's stay tuned. Anything bold, anything blocked, please get it into your notes. It works. It will save a lot of time for our future reference and revision classes. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions, no restrictions. Now, you should get a question by now. Sai, why you are storing in a database? Why don't we store data in an Excel? Why don't we store data in a PDF? Why, Sai? Why we are going for database? Why don't we store in Excel or PDF? Why database? Answer. How to store passwords? How to store QR codes? How to store barcodes? Excel do not have answer. PDF will not be able to store passwords. What about terabytes of data, petabytes of data? We cannot store them in files. We need something big, database. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Remember, you filled a form from a website, sqlschool.com, or website. That data would go to a database. We need to use it for future tracking, future promotions, certificates, and a lot of other activities within our school. You may submit some form through an app. You may upload your files. The submission of the assignments from today, you'll submit in our sqlschool.com website. I'll provide the website link. You'll submit all your files. Or sometimes data may be submitted through some IoT applications or GIS, geographical information systems, satellite navigation devices, etc. So data may be extracted. Data would be born at various sources. Data will born on a website or apps or files or others like devices. That's the birthplace of data. It has to be stored into something called OLTP. What is this? Hearing for the first time. OLTP stands for Online Transaction Processing Databases. What is it? Online Transaction Processing Databases. Now, example, a live cricket match. Example, a live cricket match. Or another example, live stock market activities. Or for example, online stock market or online banking. Simple, our live class right now, everything live, OLTP. Developers will be responsible to design these OLTP databases. Remember, developers will be responsible to design this OLTP databases, online transaction processing. This is the component we are going to install in another 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, OLTP, okay? Other one, data warehouse. What is that? Data warehouse. Purpose of data warehouse: to store old data, to store inactive data. What is that? Purpose of data warehouse: to store old, inactive, historical data. Old temperature, old stock market, anything old warehouse. Data engineers will take care. Friends, will go for questions in another 5 minutes. So there are two teams now, okay? SQL developer team, data engineer team in a project. Now, client gave me a requirement. You are my client. You said, hello, Sai. Hello, SQL school. We are having an app for a shopping mall. We collect all the registration of the customers. The newly registered customers should be stored in a database. And we want to use the database for promotions, etc., etc. So we design the database for you. You are our client, you are our customer. We design a database for you. But what next? Project completed. Design is approved. You are happy with it. What next? Maintenance. 24/7 availability of data. Repairs, troubleshooting. Who will take care? DBA. So database administration team, DBA team will take care of management, recovery, migrations, security, all maintenance activities. DBA team will take care. Something goes suddenly down, DBAs need to wake up and make it running fine. Some data is lost, DBAs are responsible to correct the data. These are the database doctors. Data analysts, reporting, analysis, identifying the hidden trends of your data. For example, same shopping mall data, are there more male customers or female customers? Are the sales more on weekends or weekdays? Are the sales more during the fresh stock time or average stock time? Are the sales more during a fresh stock time or clearance of stock clearance time sale? All these kinds of mathematics, not mathematics, statistics, analytics, business analytics, data analyst will take care. So any project in database environment involves all these four teams. Today, we are going to start installing OLTP, the starting part of our database platform. So here it is, the complete model. We call business intelligence model. From OLTP or non-OLTP database sources, we need to bring the data to something called warehouse in your later classes. We call it data engineering and big data analytics. I repeat again, see here, the birthplace of data, files, apps, website forms, devices, etc. As long as my GPS is on in my mobile, my location is on in my mobile, location field is on in my mobile, I'm sending my data to Google server, Google Map, it's tracking my mobile, right? So my mobile is one of the birthplace of data for Google. From there, where it goes? Database, live, old historical timelines, warehouse. Then comes reports, analytics, etc. There can be live analytics or historical big data analytics. Anything it can be. So in our classes, next two slides are very important. What are our job roles? SQL developers will be involved in design of databases. See there, SQL developers involved in design of databases, development, coding, okay? It's completely into coding. And next we have number 2, data engineers responsible for design of data warehouse databases. DWH. Next. Then comes data analysts, reporting, dashboarding activities. If someone is looking for reports, dashboards, data analyst is the best starting point. If someone is looking for cloud computing, big data analytics, data engineering is a correct starting point. Experienced developers or masters, someone from masters, they may go for engineering or business analysts. Business analysts need to have more thinking and bit far beyond data analysis. They understand the business, not the data, the business, overall business, right from customer requirement to technical implementations. How you do this, how we need to do that, who is going to do what, business analysts will take care. Database administrators are more into management. After the class today, you'll fill a form and let us know which of these modules you'd opt for. Are you into engineering or analytics or BI development, etc. Whatever it is. Next. What exactly we are going to learn from today? That is important. Okay, here it is. From today, we are going to learn slowly, step by step. From today, we are going to learn slowly, step by step, database concepts. On my screen, this is the final slide of our course. And this is the only slide we need to get it throughout the course. Please take print copy of this slide. 27 concepts we need to learn from 3 weeks MS SQL program. Importance, first 9 chapters, damn important, very, very important. The basement, yellow items are the pillars, and 21 to 27 is actual slab. On top of it comes the main skill set. Either you will go for coding or analytics, engineering or other job streams. But 1 to 27 important. We are into chapter 1 now, concept 1 now, introduction. So 21 concepts, 21 notes, documents, 21 assignments, 21 solutions, 27 solutions.
Sure.
I'll provide you the complete notes for this one. And please wait, Samir. We'll go for questions, brother. Please wait. Let me put forward all my points. Will do. Please give me some time. I repeat once again, I could see few attendees join bit late. For them, what is database, our actual course? A storage area. You can store any type of data, any amount of data. From there comes our actual job roles. Pick whichever job role you're opting for and be specific. And from there, what we are going to learn? Yes, right from introduction, we need to have real world case studies and all. 27 concepts, we need to be specific. Well, next step, next item. We'll go for questions in another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we'll do. Next. From here, let's understand slowly the complete notes that we need to get today on email. You will be receiving 2 documents today. Concept 1, concept 2 today. Today and tomorrow, 2 concepts. Let's get started slowly. Introduction. What is this? Let's see. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, in a secured, faster, organized format. Types of databases. OLTP to store live real-time data like live online banking, live temperature, anything live. Data warehouse to store old historical data like past inactive data. OLAP predictions forecast like for example weather forecast. And HTAP databases. OLTP plus data warehouse plus OLAP blended together is called HTAP. Like live forecast, just like a live Google map. We travel from one place to another, live tracking. ETA, expected time of arrival. Past navigations, warehouse, a Google map. So we have various responsibilities. Please be specific which job role you are aiming at, because the orientation changes accordingly. Concept remains same. So the kind of tasks I provide for data engineer are different from the type of tasks I provide for SQL developers for a given concept. We need to be very specific about our orientation. So you'll submit a form in another few minutes, which job role you are actually planning for. Yet to decide, then we have one-to-one discussion regarding that. We'll see post the class today. Now we are talking about SQL. We are talking about SQL Developer, SQL DBA, etc. What is SQL actually? A communication platform to talk to these databases. You and me are talking to each other using a language. We need to talk to database using something called SQL, structured query language. I repeat, to talk to a database, we need SQL, remember. To talk to databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server, we need something called TSQL, Transact SQL, TSQL. To talk to database, SQL. To talk to databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server, we need TSQL. Now, what is this SQL Server? I said Microsoft SQL Server. What is this? Yes, very simple and straight. To speak to a person, we need a language. To speak to a person inside an English country, we need English language. To speak to a person in a different country, you may require different language. So if region changes, country changes, region changes, communication platform also changes. Same thing here. A database is a platform to store the data, but where it is it in Oracle, PLSQL, Microsoft, then SQL Server, MS SQL. So SQL Server is a easy to use and user friendly environment. We are going to start with SQL first, then slowly step into why, how, the green item. Let's start with SQL first, slowly step by step. So what we have to do? To implement this SQL, we need a software that is called DBMS, Database Management System. Software. See, our requirement to work with databases. So to implement databases, we need to install a software that is called DBMS software. Remember, Database Management System, DBMS we call it. Now, different companies came up with different types of DBMS in the market. One such database management system, DBMS software from Microsoft, we have something called SQL Server. What is that? SQL Server. We are going to get the software download link today. I shall guide you for installation step by step. iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What are these versions, releases? Same way, SQL Server also has multiple versions. 2022, 2019, 2017, 2016, so on. They are various versions of SQL Server. And next, let's continue here. Editions of SQL Server, Developer, Evaluation, Express, so on. These three are free to use. Demo pieces. But that's not enough for our learning. I need to provide you one online lab also. Please note, you need to have a local server as well as our online server, both. Why local server? For testing, learning and testing. Why online server? To play with our online databases. So we have a difference between a free and paid, right? Here it is. Free pieces, developer edition. I'll be showing you the installation. And we need to connect our online server also, part of the course, for our practice, assignment submissions and all. Prerequisites. I assure complete step-by-step activity from scratch. So no specific prerequisites except interest in understanding the subject. Make sure we have Windows 8 or higher. 6 gig RAM, minimum. 10 gig disk space. That's enough. What if you are using Mac? Mac users, please enable Windows inside Mac. You may contact me on this number for any help in regard to Mac. Need your support. I repeat again. Item 1, we are learning what is database. I'll provide you these notes very shortly. Item 2, types of databases, basic types. Item 3, our job roles. Then what is SQL? The basement. What is MS SQL, also called TSQL, variant of SQL? Someone asked you difference between iPhone and mobile. Mobile yellow, iPhone green. iPhone is a type of mobile. MS SQL, TSQL is a type of SQL. Other companies, other brands. And our actual course starts with DBMS concepts. One such DBMS in the market, SQL Server. Let's start the installation of SQL Server now. Before we proceed, please, over to you now. Any questions pertaining to course selection, we'll take it after the class. We need to slowly start our practice from tomorrow, second half. So let's get started with installation. I need to guide you how to install so that we are ready for our actual activities next. Any questions, let me know, please, before we continue with our next activity, installation. Please, any questions, anyone, let me know. I'll wait. Please let me know. Mic with you all. Please tell me. Please, any questions, let me know, please. I will wait. Fine. Let's continue then. Let's learn. Let's revise what we learned so far. We learned what is database, types of database, job roles, SQL, TSQL, and SQL Server. How to install we will do. Item 1 to 6. Any questions? Please let me know. I'll wait. Please, Danny, Janeshwar, Karthik, Mayur, Nipuna, yeah, Pratima, please shake your mic, please. 1 to 6 items. Rajeshwar, Samir, Akila Devi, Vanati, Zainab, Amjad, please shake your mic, please. Akash,
Hello, sir.
tell me, sir. Please tell me. Proceed. Yes.
So first of all, I'm sorry that I couldn't able to see your screen which you are sharing.
I understand, sir. Others, you are able to see my screen, right? Everyone. Yes. Please confirm, please. Yes. Others.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes,
It's
sir.
working fine.
Yes, yes.
Samir, I could see something to do with your connection. Kindly check for that. Next question, please. Tell me,
So
Samir.
ac-
Yeah. Tell me.
actually, I have logged in my mobile. So is it fine or else I
Oh,
have to
okay.
go
Please
with my
log into our
laptop?
desktop. Yeah. See, it's a technical course, big screen, more content. Okay. Please, no
Oh,
compromise. Please. From tomorrow, sir.
oh,
Please.
yeah, yeah, fine.
Next.
Okay. So
Next.
and one more thing.
Yeah.
So I want to let you know. So I couldn't see what the data you are sharing actually.
I
So
understand.
correct me
We
if
will
I'm.
provide a video after the class today. You will refer to it, sir. Then we can discuss more about your questions. We'll see.
Yeah. Correct me if I am wrong.
Tell me, sir.
So I can gain knowledge on SQL Server, Management Studio, and
Yes.
SSIS concepts.
Yeah, whichever course you're opting for. Tell me, please. Which course you're opting for actually? Tell me.
So I am majorly looking for SQL Server, that is Management Studio and SSIS infrastructure services regarding
SSIS.
that.
Okay. Yeah, you can opt for MS SQL plus MSBI course combo. MS SQL
Okay,
plus MSBI combo you need to opt for. MS SQL as
got
SSMS and SSIS part of MSBI course. Yes.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Next question,
Thank you,
please.
sir.
So the yellow box, brother. Your course is already on the screen, brother. You are talking about SSMS, everyone. SSMS is a tool, okay? SQL Server
Yeah,
Management Studio. Step 3 on the screen. Step 3. You start with step 1 anyway. My participant is asking about SSMS. That is step 3. We are going to install it tomorrow. Step 1 we'll do today. Step 1 to 3 tomorrow. Next. Back to my other notes. Item 1 to 6. Please. Any questions? I will wait. Please. Item 1 to 6.
Yeah, hi, Sai. Regarding the job
Uh,
roles,
uh,
One by one. Prachi Shukla. Yes, madam. Please tell me. Yes.
so sir, regarding the job roles, that will fall under, like, if I'm opting for Power BI, that will be falling under data analytics, like.
Power BI, we have BI developer as well as data analytics. Both are there for Power BI. Yes.
So once the Power BI will be like completed, can I just change my profile to data analytics?
Yes, undoubtedly you can do, provided you do certification as well. So for data
Okay.
analyst, see if you can add Python also. SQL, Power BI, Python. These three together is equal to one bundle data analyst.
Okay. So, sir, in Power BI course, Python will also be provided, or I have to opt Python
Number 3, you have
separately?
to opt for a 1 month separate course, Python. Power BI
Okay.
1 month, Python 1 month. Separately, we have to.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Next question,
So
please. I will.
the
hello.
certification cost for all these three summed up together.
Yeah. The non-technical things we'll take it separate. Our team would call you after the class today.
Okay.
Non-technical part, our website has answer, and our team will also take care. Actually, I'm looking for some questions on item 1 to 6, friends. Anything pertaining to the course, we will take it 1 to 1.
Yes, sir.
Item 1 to 6. Any questions,
Uh,
please? Yeah.
yeah, actually, the module which you have mentioned about the 27 module.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we are going to learn about MS SQL, right?
Yes.
We need to know how to write T-SQL statements and how to write stored procedures. So these kind
Yes.
of things.
Exactly. You are right. That's all TSQL only. Yes. We need to. Yes. We'll do.
So are we
Correct.
going to also learn the query tuning part?
Query tuning, if you want, yes, you can do it
Performance
separately.
enhancement
Another,
and
we have 2 weeks course, separate course we have for query tuning. We have it, yes. Basic query tuning will be doing in the 3 weeks course. You want advanced query tuning, separate course again. Another 2 weeks, you have to opt for it. Yep.
I have a
Okay.
question. So,
Please tell me. Yeah,
okay.
please tell me.
So,
Next.
I'm considering the data analytics course.
Okay.
Do I have to take the MSBI as well, or with the
No, not
SQL?
required.
Okay,
Not
not.
required. For data analyst,
Mm-hmm.
MSBI is not required. Instead, do Python, SQL, Power BI, Python. Those 3 enough. Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Yep. Next question, please. I'll wait.
One last question from my end, sir.
Tell me, sir. Please. Yep.
So you have already said that I have to take both MS SQL and MSBI for SSIS and SQL Server, right?
You said SSIS. You're right. Exactly. Yes, you're right.
So I can opt this course by combining. I mean, I can learn knowledge on both of these, or else I have to go with the other session for MSBI.
You'll do MSBI with separate sessions anyway. This 3 weeks course first, then you go for Power BI to continue. After that, you think, yes, you require MSBI, you can do separately. Our team shall
Okay.
call you after the class. They can explain you the complete content and the process. Will do. Yep.
Okay. So definitely, sir. Waiting for the call. Thank you.
Surely. Friends, I will continue. Any question related to the course or the courses you want to opt for, we'll take them one to one. I was expecting questions on only what is database, types of database, and what is SQL. From here, let's continue our actual process of installation. Let's continue the installation now. You went to a new mobile shop, you went to a mobile shop to buy a new mobile. There's an offer going on. The mobile is supporting 2 SIM slots. So they gave you 2 SIMs. One SIM card titled 2022, another SIM card titled 2019. One keypad, one mobile. In your mobile, using one keypad, you can operate 2 unique SIM slots, 2 unique SIM cards. Using your keypad, you go home, you can also connect and operate your smart TV. This is our lab plan. The TV is our licensed server, online server, and the SIM cards are your local server. Common keypad, management studio. It's a tool. It's a tool, not a technology. It's a tool. Yes, we are going to install SQL Server 2022 today. Tomorrow, as we are all very new, tomorrow we need to again revise 2022 and proceed for 2019 installation and proceed for tool. Yes, yes, yes. Remember, SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio tool installation. Next. Then we need to proceed for connections and practice. Need your support? Good to write your observation notes. Let's slowly step into the installation overview today. Basic installation. 3 minutes. Trust me, 3 minutes, 3 steps, installation done. We'll make it easier today. We'll make it useful tomorrow. Then you are ready for assignment, interview questions and answers on installation. So what we have to do? Make sure you have Windows 8 or higher operating system, 64-bit. We are going to install 2022 and 2019. I need to provide you the software. I'll do it on email. 6 gig RAM, 10 gig disk space. Any processor that supports Windows OS. Now, this one, friends. Today and tomorrow, first half. Here it is. Firstly, we are going to download 2022 from where? From this website link. Once we download, extract, double click the setup file, configuration check, then installation, evaluation today, developer tomorrow. What are these? Two different variants of demo pieces, two different free editions. By end of tomorrow, we need to learn when to use which. OLTP. For OLTP databases, we need something called database engine. What is it? Database engine. Installation name, admin name, and install. Few more extra steps tomorrow's class. Okay, few more extra steps tomorrow. For now, let's continue the basic installation. Let's observe carefully. First, download. You'll go to this website after the class today. You'll download the software, extract. You get one setup file. Double click the setup file. Installation left, new installation right. Installation left, new installation right. And accept licensing terms. Database engine for what? For OLTP. I said first database type today, live online transaction processing database. Please, any example of OLTP? Please, any example of OLTP? Please, I will wait. Any example of OLTP? I will wait. No?
Credit card payment.
Yes, sir, you're right.
Cricket scores.
Yes, exactly, sir. You're right. Exactly. Yes, you don't remember the example of OLTP?
Stock market.
Exactly. Live cricket match, stock market. Remember now, please? Yes. Fine. I'll provide you the notes. Request you to go through it carefully. Select database engine, installation name, and admin name. Install. I repeat. Okay, see here. I repeat. Database engine, installation name, admin name, add current admin, and install. Let's observe carefully. Let's see one by one. Very simple and straight. Let's observe there. Firstly, you download the software. I'll show you practically now on my screen. Yes, here it is. Firstly, you download the software. You get a file like this. Right click extract. Once you right click extract, you get a folder. Double click on the folder and double click on the setup file. Double click on the setup file. We get one installation center like this. Installation left, new installation right. Okay, installation left, new installation right. 2, 1. Installation left, new installation right. Then next requirement. Let's wait for the screen to get this next enabled. You may see a warning during installation. Please ignore the warning. Next. Perform new installation. Next. Okay, perform new installation. Next. Okay, then next. Leave the remaining as they are. Say next, like this. Accept licensing terms. Okay, accept licensing terms. Click next. And uncheck Azure. Azure is a Microsoft cloud. Just uncheck it and you click next. Click next like this. Azure Microsoft cloud, uncheck and next. And click database engine. Come on, what's the purpose of database engine, please? Please, mic with you, please. You remember now? Let me just get the mics again. Yes, please. Everyone, mic with you all, please. I'll wait. Purpose of database engine?
Online transaction.
Yes, sir.
Mic with everyone now, please. Online, right? OLT.
Online.
Next. Select database engine. Provide some installation name. Okay. Provide some installation name. Any name is fine. I'll call it as SQL School 1. And next. Give some name. We'll talk about other options tomorrow. Only one more step. I said 3 inputs, okay? Database engine, installation name, admin name. That's it. You are done. Database engine, installation name, admin name. You are done. Next, install. You are done now. I'll repeat, okay? To make it easier. Firstly, download. Then right click, extract. Once you extract, double click on the folder, double click on the setup file inside the folder, inside the directory.
I'm sorry, I have a quick question.
We'll go for questions during Q&A time, please.
Okay.
Installation left, okay? New installation right, you'll do it after the class. I need to send you the download link. I need to send you the notes also. I need to make sure you have every detail to do this implementation. Let's observe carefully. Installation left, new installation right. And let's wait for the new item, new screen to get onto the screen. We get a new screen now. And let's wait for next. If you already did the installation earlier, keep it aside, ignore it, do installation again as per our notes. I repeat, if you already have a software with you already, ignore it. Please install again as per the notes. Same steps. Because there is every possibility your existing installation might be Express Edition, which will not support our course. Please follow the instructions and complete the installation. Uncheck Azure. Azure is a Microsoft cloud. We are all very new. We shall be touching base with the cloud later classes. For now, uncheck Azure, check database engine. Uncheck Azure, check database engine. Once you check database engine, provide the installation name. Okay, provide the installation name. Any name is fine. Okay, provide the installation name. Any name is fine. Here it is. I'll say SQL School 1. Earlier I cancelled the installation. Now let's apply it. Okay, next. Say next. Click on next. Next. Come on, what we do here? Last final screen, please. You remember? Final screen. What we do, please. You remember? Everyone? Add current user. Okay, remember this. Add current user as installation. Okay, add current user. And next, click on install. You are done. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. You complete this installation process. You download and install. So we are now installing the first server, the first green box. Tomorrow, we are going to revise this installation and proceed for the second green box, second server. On my screen, you'll follow these instructions carefully. We need to learn a few more theory items tomorrow pertaining to the installations and connection to our online server. We are right now doing the step 1, first server, this one. So you'll be receiving the email today very shortly. Please download the software, complete installations, and any questions, do let me know. For doubts, complete the first server today. Second server we'll do tomorrow. We'll stop for now. Any questions, please let me know. Over to you. I'll wait, please. Tell me, I'll wait. Someone is asking some question there.
Yeah.
Please tell me. Tell me, please.
Okay. So does that make any difference to install the evaluation edition versus the developer edition?
Yes, madam. Like there is. Today I was
Okay.
showing you evaluation,
Yeah.
and tomorrow I'll be showing you developer. There is technical difference. We need to learn both. There is difference. We need to
Okay.
learn both. Yes, we'll do.
So this time round we have to install the evaluation edition, right?
Exactly, madam. You are right. Exactly. Okay. Next
Okay.
time tomorrow, developer edition. We'll do one by one.
Sounds
Yes.
good. Thank you.
Yep. Welcome. And next question, please. I'll wait. Others, please. Mic with everyone, please. Let me know. I'll wait.
And
Sai,
one more
does it need some kind of a coding for this SQL, or it just a scripting?
Scripting parts, not coding. Coding is required for developer. We are right now in scripting only. I'll just take you to my slide once again here. I'll show you.
I joined a little late. One of the slide I saw there's something like coding, 100% coding or something. So that's which is why I was
That is
just
developer. Exactly. Whether
listening
that
to
is
you now.
developer. So developer you will start only after the initial basement. We are right now in concept 1 and 2. All these 27 concepts will be the actual breathing points, base points for coding. Developer, if you wanted to, you don't want coding, go for analyst, go for engineering or other job streams. Choice is yours. Danny Denjoba. Okay.
Yes,
Basement is
correct.
common. Basement is common. Everyone. Yes.
So when
Are you
should we get notes?
Samir, please wait, Samir. Please wait, Samir. Danny Janjoba, are you clear now? The basement part initial to start with.
So 1 to 9 is what you're saying, the basics. So which
So 1 to
covers
27, brother. 1 to 27 is all basics. 1 to 27, the 3 weeks journey.
on the right hand side, I see an analyst courses, Power BI, Python, Tableau, and Advanced Excel.
You
So
are right.
this
Exactly.
yes. So MySQL along with these 4 courses or the
Like
entire
no need to go for all 4. You choose any 2. Usually Python plus Power BI, Python plus Tableau kind of combinations.
I see.
Yep. Any one, Power BI or Tableau, any one is enough. Plus Python plus Advanced Excel. Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Samir, please tell me, Samir. Sorry to make you wait. Please tell me. Yep.
Yeah, no worries. So when should we get this note?
One notes
This
already
recorded.
sent. Kindly check it, everyone. The introduction notes, concept 1 notes already sent. Please check it, everyone. I'll wait, please. Please check. I'll wait.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll
we
check
got
and
it.
let you know.
Yeah, I've received that.
Perfect. There you
Do
see
we
one form. In the first mail, you see one form. Kindly submit the form and let us know which course you're actually opting for. The email you received is like this. On my screen, my profile, my contact number for doubts, clarifications, errors if any, and the form. Please submit the form and let us know which course or courses you're opting for. I need to send you the day-wise roster, detailed curriculum, and the installation notes. MS SQL plus Power BI or MS SQL plus Data Engineer, whichever you are into. Let us know. We'll stop for today. Any questions, please? I'll wait.
do we get
Thank you so much, everyone, and have a nice time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Signing off. Thank you so much.